Setting up your My Baptist Chart account takes just a few simple steps. To sign up for My Baptist Chart, you'll have to request an activation code. You also have to be at least 18 years old. Visit my.baptistchart.com to request your code. First, click Sign Up Now in the New User section. Next, click Sign Up Online. Now, you can choose either Match Yourself with Our Records or Verify with a third party. Clicking Match Yourself with Our Records asks you to fill out a form that gets sent to our records department. Once they find your medical record, they'll send you an activation code. If you choose Verify with a third party, we'll send your details to an online service that can verify your identity in seconds using information like the last 4 digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Once you have your activation code, go back to my.baptistchart.com to sign in. Click Sign Up Now, then enter the activation code you got as an email, text, or mailed in a letter. Below that, add the last 4 digits of your social security number and date of birth. Then, click Next. On the next page, you'll choose a username. It could be your email address or any other unique name that you'll be able to remember. Then, create a new secure password. Make it at least 8 characters long, and be sure to use both uppercase and lowercase letters, plus numbers. To finish signing up, choose whether you'd like to get notifications via email, text message, or both. Then verify your contact info. Now, click Sign In. Once you accept our terms and conditions, you'll be logged into your new My Baptist Chart account. For help with My Baptist Chart, visit baptistjax.com/mychart to see answers to frequently asked questions.